What if I told you there's an animal so fearless, so relentless, that even lions and venomous snakes think twice before crossing its path? Meet the honey badger, nature's ultimate daredevil. Honey badgers, scientifically known as Mellivora carpensis, a group renowned for its fierce predators. Today, these warriors thrive in diverse habitats, ranging from the sun-scorched savannas and arid deserts of Africa to the dense forests of India and the Middle East. Fascinating facts about the honey badger. Fact 1. Immune to venom. Honey badgers are immune to the venom of some of the deadliest snakes on Earth, like cobras and puff adders. Even if they're bitten, they'll pass out briefly and wake up ready to finish the fight. Fact 2. Tough skin, tougher attitude. Their skin is so thick and loose that even lions and leopards struggle to get a firm grip. This also allows them to twist and bite back, even when caught. Fact 3. The honey badger name. Why the name honey badger? These fearless warriors will take on swarms of angry bees to raid hives for their sweet honey and the nutritious bee larvae inside. Fact 4. Record holders. The honey badger holds a spot in the Guinness World Records as the world's most fearless animal. Fact 5. Highly adaptable diet. They eat almost anything: rodents, snakes, birds, insects, fruits, and even roots. If it's edible, they'll find a way to eat it. The honey badger is more than just a creature of the wild. It's a symbol of fearlessness, resilience, and the undying will to survive. No matter how tough life gets, this little warrior reminds us that even the fiercest storms can be weathered. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure. What do you admire most about the honey badger? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more untold stories from the animal kingdom.